I want us to make a social experiment. It works like this. I will say random words and you will think men or women, depending on which one you relate the most to the word I say. We'll do this very quickly, so think fast. Ready? Okay. Strong, smart, cooking, chef, science, pretty, funny, sports, soft, money, emotional. And that's it. If you assign these words to a specific gender, then that means you've been influenced by gender roles. These determine that a person is expected to act in a certain way or do certain things based on society's expectations related to their gender. Gender roles have created a gap between men and women for years. Today, luckily, things are changing little by little. Nowadays, more and more women are changing their house for an office, and more men feel less afraid to express their emotions. It is necessary for our generation to start dissociating words from gender, like women meaning mothers or men meaning strong. How do you think gender roles have changed in the last years? What do you think still needs to change? Well, this is it for today. Keep closing the gap. See you next time. Bye, guys.